Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example, messages in the browser, in the notes, whatever you want to actually. And all we have to do right now is to simply enter this kind of icon with the keyboard and the globe. Now let's enter the settings and tap on the languages. And as you can see here, we've got two different sections. So this one with the other languages, which we've got currently applied, and here we've got available languages from which we can still choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. And I will pick maybe this one. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the plus icon right next to it. Now let's wait a second, of course, because it has to be downloaded correctly. And then let's go to the very top of the list. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the other languages, so to the first section. Now we can go back to the keyboard. Let's tap on it, and here, as you can see, immediately actually we can see our language, our newly added language. But as we can remember, we've got two different ones applied, and in order to change the language, you have to simply tap on this globe icon, which acts just like a language key. So thanks to this, you can change the language between those which you've got currently added. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need 2 or 3 different languages added, you just want one. So let's go to the settings again, tap on the languages, and here all we have to do is to simply untick this option, just like that. And you've got right now like kind of 2 ways to finish the operation. So you can leave it like this, so it will still be on the other languages. You won't have to scroll down through this list. If you want to apply this language again, you will just tap on this let's say icon, you will mark the language, and it will immediately appear on the keyboard. But if you'd like to remove it completely, just tap on this trash bin icon, and as you can see, it has been removed, but of course it's still in the available languages, so you can add it whenever you want to. So basically that's all. This is how to change the keyboard language in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.